Hi there, it's great to have you here considering this product management bootcamp. Why am I doing this bootcamp? Because I want to help you with the necessary skills to become an effective product manager without spending a fortune or wasting precious time. My program is designed to be covered in just 2 days, but I guarantee that the knowledge that you gain will last a lifetime. Throughout the bootcamp, we will be doing tons of activities together, each carefully crafted to ensure that you build a robust PM profile and have a deeper understanding of the subject. We will start by covering product management essentials, providing you with a foundational understanding of the subject. We will then dive into the product life cycle and the different steps involved in making a product successful. We will also teach you how to think like a product manager, providing you with tips, hacks, and simulated interviews. We will also be covering product metrics, pricing, and other topics to help you get an overall understanding of product management. Furthermore, we will give you access to an 18-step framework that will help you to get into product rules. To bring everything to life, we will be using hands-on activities, a capstone project, group tasks, simulations, and multiple product teardowns via carefully curated case studies. I can guarantee that you will have an out-of-the-world learning experience with us at the bootcamp. So why wait? Join us at the Product Management Bootcamp today.